She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be installing some Microlink hair extensions, and the hair that I'll be using is from Ywigs hair. They sent me 3 packs of their Kinky Straight Micro Loop hair extensions, and the hair does come natural color, so it makes it really easy to blend with your natural hair. The hair is 18 inches long, and each bundle I received in each pack I received 4 bundles. So here's what the hair looks like, and Ywigs has made it super easy to install these Microlinks because theirs comes pre-loop, so the loop is already attached in each one. Super easy, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. So my client here has a natural 4C hair. She's 100% natural. She is not permed or anything, as you guys can see. So I'm going to start out by just sectioning out the perimeter of her hair, so all the way around. And I'm going to do this to be able to allow her the flexibility of putting her hair up in a ponytail. So the purpose of Microlinks is to allow you to be able to wear out your natural hair while providing you with additional length and fullness, so it adds volume to your hair if that's something that you're needing. So you would want to be able to wear your hair, either all up in a ponytail, half up in a ponytail and half down, or wear it down and give yourself a part, like a middle part, a side part, or even just wear it full down. So Microlinks provides you with that. It's very versatile, provides you with that flexibility, and so you can part your hair how you would want to wear it. So she's going to be wearing it up in a ponytail. She'll also be wearing it down, and we're going to give her a middle part. So I'm just sectioning out the perimeter of her hair, and then I'll leave out a middle part. And now I'm just going to go ahead and braid down the part that I have sectioned out, just to get that hair out of the way. Your sections that you're parting out to leave out, you want to make sure it's enough to cover up the Microlinks. So you could see that in the back it's a little more than what I left out on the sides, because when I had parted that back section, the very back was a little shorter, so I gave her a little bit more hair left out, just to again be able to cover up the Microlinks. Now I did end up giving her a little more leave out for her middle part, and I'll show you guys that a little later in the video. And like I said, she does want to be able to wear this up in a ponytail, maybe put it in a bun. So we did leave the entire perimeter of her hair out along with the middle part. So now for the fun part, we're going to get into the installation. So I parted out her sections in a curved parting, like a U part. And I did that to allow the hair to be able to go up in a ponytail so that it doesn't show the Microlinks. And you want to make sure your parts are really small, as well as the sections for where you're going to put the hair in. Now what I'm doing is I'm just taking that section of hair and I'm going to put it through that loop. And then while holding the extension, I'm going to pull on that bead that's attached to the loop, and that's going to just pull her natural hair through the bead of the extension. And that is as simple as that. Her hair is now, the extension is now in, and all I have to do is take the hair pliers and I'm just going to clamp it down, and that's just going to allow it to stay put. And now when you're clamping these down, you want to make sure that you're not putting that bead close to her scalp. It should not be touching her scalp at all. And you want to make sure that once you clamp it, that you're able to lift it up, move it left, move it right, put it down without it giving any tension to your client or pulling at her hair in any way. This is a very lightweight style and tension-free style. So you want to make sure you're not causing any irritation. Your hair should slide through as easy as that. Now you may find some times where the hair is a little difficult to go through the bead, and that's just because your sections that you parted are too big, so you're gonna have to go back and make smaller sections. Again, the hair has to be able to fit through the bead, so your sections are really going to depend on your client's hair and their thickness, or their the thickness of their hair. Her hair is very thick, so we did have to use smaller sections. Now somebody whose hair is not natural, maybe permed or straightened, and not as full or thick, you may be able to get away with using bigger sections. But yeah, you should be able to slide the natural hair through that bead easily, and if it's not, then you just have to make smaller sections. A little later, I'm going to show you guys how you can re-add that loop back to the hair extension if for any reason it comes out, or if you need to slide the extension back, if you need to slide the extension off of the hair to redo it. So make sure to keep watching, and I'll show you guys how you can reapply that loop. All of the hair information and direct links to the hair will be down in the description below. So I just continue to add the microlinks to every section of that part, and then you'll see when I'm completely done, I'm able to just take the hair and lift it up. It doesn't cause any pain, any irritation, or anything. And I'm just going to continue. I'm going to do another curved U part right above that one. I'm not leaving any of her hair out besides the hair that I've already sectioned away, like her perimeter and her middle part, but I am going to put the microlinks in every section, so I'm not leaving hair out in between. We wanted to go for a really full look, so we didn't leave hair out in between the microlinks. Now, if you don't need that fullness or that much of fullness, then you could leave sections of the hair out. For example, you could do maybe like 3 rows of microlinks and then 1 row that does not have microlinks, but we did put the links in each section. Okay, so here I wasn't able to get the bead to slide all the way up where I wanted it to, so I did have to slide it back out and redo it. So I had to add the loop back into the extension. I'm going to show you guys how to do that here. So here the loop is out of the extension, and I'm going to take this little mini hook and I'm going to put it in through the extension, through the bead of the extension, like so. And then I'm just going to attach it to the loop and then close on that latch and slide it through. just like that. And so now that we're back to how it was, and now I can reinstall that link to the hair. So at this point, we've used a full pack of the hair extension, and then all together we used 2 full packs of the extension. So it came with 3 packs, but we didn't need all 3. Even though I didn't leave hair out in between, I was still able to complete this look with just a full 2 packs. So now you guys can see I did give her a little bit more of a leave out for her middle part, and that's the section that we're just going to leave out for her. And now I'm just going to take down the part that I had braided around her perimeter, and you guys can already see that the hair is blending really well with her natural hair without even having to do really much. Now we did go back in and blew her hair out and just added a little bit of heat just to help with the blending of the 2 textures, but again, there were no issues with it looking natural. So yeah, as you guys could see, this style was very easy to do. The hair ended up looking great, very natural. It is lightweight. The extension is very soft, and it just matches really great with her natural hair. This is great for someone who wants to, maybe give sew-ins a break, give the wigs a break and just wear their natural hair out. But again, just be able to add some length and some volume. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and give me a like. Also subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a video. I'm thinking of doing another video on how to take these out. So I'll have her keep these in for as long as she can and then come back and we'll take them out together. So again, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.